Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change and adjust the black equalizer settings for your Samsung Odyssey G7. So in order to do that, you will need to locate the button which is right under the Samsung logo right here and click on it. Now navigate up and click again. Click on the game right here and navigate your way to the black equalizer. Press on it. And from here you can increase the volume by moving to the right, or decrease volume by moving to the left. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.